How to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily delete Instagram search suggestions when you are typing. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, once you land on your profile page, all you have to do is simply go to the settings menu by tapping on the top right corner. And then from here, you just want to head over to your activity. Now, where it says your activity, all you have to do now is simply go to search suggestions. So go ahead and tap on recent searches. And from here, you can clear everything one by one, or you can see the clear all option at the top right. So just tap on it to clear out your searches. Now, after you have done that, when you go back to your searches, tap on the search bar, and if you start typing anything, it will give you these search suggestions. But in order to remove them, you can just tap on your profile, scroll all the way to the bottom, tap on help, and then report a problem. Now continue without shaking, and here you can include or don't include, it does not really matter. So here you can just type in simply saying that help me delete the feature where it gives me search suggestions when I'm typing, or something along those lines, and then send it and follow the Instagram's help and support team's instruction, and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.